Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 1-39H water tank bush. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we will be building part 1-39H water tank bush for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. So let's first open up template MMGS, save. So let's go top, sketch, put a cylinder in. Big cylinder, top cylinder, but it's hole straight through, so we'll do the hole separate. Smart dimension, we'll do the small cylinder first, which is 16 millimeters. Oh no, it's not, sorry, 22 millimeters. The hole is 16. 22, there we go. And that's going to be a toe of 10. Height of 10. Extrude. 10, which I'm going to leave there. Make that difference with the edges there, so that's fine. Okay, that one, we're going to click on the top there, sketch. I'm not worried about normal 2, because I can click in the middle there. Now this cylinder is C2. That's going to be a total of 6 mil. Screwed, thank you. 6 mil. And done. Okay, so that looking good. Let's just do a small fill on here. 0.5. Right on there. And hit the button. There we go. That's good. Okay, so now the center of this one's going to be normal 2. Didn't have to do normal 2, but I felt like it. It's going to be in the center. It's going to be, smart dimension, thank you. 16 mil. Feature. Screwed through all and done. So that is that one done. Beautiful. It was 22, wasn't it? 22, yep. Beautiful. It's cylinder there. So that looks like it done. Okay, so we want to go thread. We want M16. So gun. M16 1.5. Gonna be there. It's gonna be through all. What's this one? What's this say? Optimal start location, vertical plane. Okay. Let's see how that looks. Cut through cylinder surface using extrude. Extrude. I forgot about that. Where's that one? Extrude thread, that's what I was after. I've got to change that. Whoa. Something's gone freaky in there, see through it. You know what, I'm going to take that thread out. Delete that one. Yep. There you go. That thread goes in there. So that's part 1-39H water tank bush done. As I said, there's 2 of them. So if you're building real model, you need 2 of them. So enjoyed the video, click the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. Do appreciate it. And welcome new subscribers. If you've got any comments, leave them below. Love hearing from guys and girls. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.